It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you around Oxford on my free self-guided walking tour. This city is amazing and there's a lot to see and do here, from the famous colleges to the side streets, under the radar places and more. I can't wait to show you around. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and let's go see what we find. My self-guided Oxford walking tour starts on Broad Walk at Christ Church College. It's centrally located, so it's easy to get to. You can take in the historic college buildings and walk around Christ Church Meadow while you're here. When you leave Broad Walk, you'll see Alice's Shop, a store that pays homage to Alice in Wonderland's Oxford connections. From there, you'll walk up towards the High Street and pass by a number of important buildings and museums as you go. These include the Museum of Oxford, Oxford Town Hall, Carfax Tower, and more. Your next stop is the High Street, a beautiful street with lots of shops on it. You'll also find Oxford's famous covered market here. It's a fun place to take a detour before you continue your walk. After the market, you can continue down the High Street and take in the historic facades and college buildings as you go. Soon you'll reach the Radcliffe Camera. This building is one of the most famous at Oxford, and it dates back to the 18th century. Around the Radcliffe Camera, you'll spot college buildings from All Souls College and Brasenose College. Next, you'll come to some famous Oxford landmarks, including the Bodleian Library. This is one of the oldest libraries in Europe and the second largest in Britain. It's the university's main research library. Afterwards, you'll see famous sites like the Bridge of Sighs and the Sheldonian Theatre. Once you've seen them, you'll go by Trinity College, Balliol College, and up to the Ashmolean Museum. The Ashmolean offers free entry, and it houses an impressive collection of art and archaeological treasures. You can stop here if you want to. Whatever you decide, the next stop on your walk will be Jericho. This is a local part of Oxford most visitors miss. It's worth a visit for its independent shops and colorful houses. Your next stop is a big green space called the University Parks. You can spend as much or as little time exploring this place as you want to. When you're done, you'll walk down a street with impressive historic buildings, and you'll also see the Oxford University Museum of Natural History and the Pitt Rivers Museum, both of which you can visit if you want to. When you find yourself back at the Bridge of Sighs, you'll walk down a series of little lanes that have a real sense of history. After crossing the High Street, you'll walk down another series of picturesque lanes, one of which will lead you to Oriel College. Your walk ends on Broad Walk where it started, and you can explore more from here. Thanks for coming to Oxford with me. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I hope it's inspired you to come to this city and see the highlights yourself someday. As always, there's more on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy travels.